And this is my fire starter tool, and it's small, it's compact, and it will give you years of use. And starting fires in the wild can be hard if you haven't got the right kit. And all this is, snap locks open, watertight, and then it's got a striker and then the fire steel. And then that closes together, and then in the cap, snap lock, and inside it's watertight, and it just contains cotton balls that is really good tinder for starting fire. And then on the lanyard again is a whistle. Super useful tool, trust me.
Stranded outside or in your car during extreme cold, without a shelter or way to stop your core body temperature from dropping, you'll quickly become hypothermic, and you're facing a life or death survival situation, one that causes more deaths each year than every survival situation combined. Go Time Gear's Life Bivy Emergency Sleeping Bag is designed to serve as your emergency blanket, survival shelter, and survival sleeping bag all in one. Plus, our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring combines 9-strand, 550-pound nylon core paracord, plus you have a multi-purpose utility cord you can use to repair gear or get a fire going, and an emergency whistle that's powerful enough to cut through trees and strong winds to notify rescuers up to 1 mile away. The Life Bivy is also waterproof and ultra-durable. It's made of extra thick polyethylene material with heat-sealed seams to protect you from harsh weather like snow, rain, and wind. The interior of the Life Bivy is what protects you from hypothermia by reflecting up to 90% of your body temperature and sealing it in. So even though it's compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 4.1 ounces, the Life Bivy is durable enough to keep you alive in dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it up, and stuff it back into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add to your bug out bag, planning for a winter emergency like being stranded in your car during a harsh storm, or need a lightweight emergency bivy to carry in your hiking or hunting pack, the Life Bivy is engineered to stand up to the most intense survival situations and is the emergency sleeping bag for you.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with LifeStraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, LifeStraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.
The greatest fear is the fear of the unknown. You can never be too ready for what's to come. Preparing for the unexpected means you've got to trust your emergency supplies. Trust that in utter darkness, you could find the light. Trust that even if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, you will be found. Trust that you'll still have light, even when you're all alone in the woods. Trust that you can be seen from a mile away. Introducing the GlowMind Emergency Light Sticks, the only glow sticks you can really trust. From sunset to sunrise, these glow sticks will provide bright light for at least 12 hours and outlast the competition. With their 4 years of shelf life, you can count on them to work when you really need them. They are waterproof, non-flammable, non-toxic, and are safe to use. GlowMind Emergency Light Sticks, the survivalist choice.
stranded outside in extreme cold, without a way to protect yourself from cold, wet, harsh weather and stop your core body temperature from dropping, you will quickly become hypothermic and you're facing a life or death survival situation. One that causes more deaths each year than every other survival situation combined. Go Time Gear's Life Tent is a waterproof and windproof 2-person emergency shelter that will protect you from harsh weather and keep you alive. The Life Tent is constructed of extra thick, tear and puncture resistant material that locks out rain, wind, and snow. Unlike an ordinary tube tent, the Life Tent's reflective interior reflects up to 90% of your body heat, keeping you warm and protecting you from hypothermia. Setting up the Life Tent is quick and easy so you can rapidly protect yourself in an emergency. Simply run the 20-foot rope of 550-pound nylon core paracord through both ends of the tent and tie it between 2 trees or sturdy objects 3 to 4 feet off the ground. Anchor the corners of the tent using rocks or gear and climb inside to safety. If there's nowhere for you to tie the paracord rope and prop up your tube tent, there's no need to panic. The Life Tent can also be used as an emergency sleeping bag or blanket. The Life Tent comes rolled up inside of a nylon stuff sack that includes our patent-pending Paracinch technology drawstring, combining 9-strand nylon core 550-pound paracord and a thunderous 120 decibel survival whistle that's powerful enough to cut through strong wind and trees, alerting rescuers up to 1 mile away. You'll have an emergency-ready survival tube tent with a powerful signaling whistle, so you have the essential tools to stay alive and signal for help. Even though the Life Tent is small enough to fit in the palm of your hand and weighs just 8.7 ounces, it's durable enough for dangerous survival scenarios and for repeated use. So once you're done using it, simply fold it, roll it back up, and slide it into the waterproof nylon stuff sack. Whether you're looking to add a lightweight emergency shelter to your hiking, camping, or hunting bag for an unplanned night outside, or you need a tough, reliable survival tube tent for your bug-out bag or emergency preparedness supplies, the Go Time Gear Life Tent is engineered to keep you alive in the most extreme survival situations and is the survival shelter for you.
This is the Grylls survival bracelet from Gerber. It's a bracelet that features 12 feet of braided paracord that can be used in any number of survival emergencies. It comes with a built-in whistle to signal for help when you're stranded out in the wild. Just having this on your wrist could save your life. It's easily adjustable with just one hand, and there's a strap to keep the whistle tucked in tight. This is the Grylls survival bracelet.
Hey guys, this is Anthony, and today we're going to take a look at the recent generation of the tactical LED flashlight set by MS Force. If you're not familiar with the MS Force flashlight kit, it is a step up from the regular flashlights. This amazing flashlight kit comes with a top quality VX30 LED chip developed by MS Force. It comes in two sizes and brightness levels: the 2000 lumen big A390 flashlight and the mini 1000 lumen A310 flashlight. You'll get 5 levels of adjustable intensity, from high, medium, and low to strobe or SOS, depending on your needs. MS Force is thinking about you, the user. Because of that, we're giving you 2 flashlights in this package. So, whether you're in outdoor activities or indoor, this package will answer any of your needs. We can see here the zoom in and out system to obtain the right focus you need. For those of you looking for outstanding battery life, you have here the high-capacity rechargeable 18650 lithium batteries. The A390 big flashlight uses 2 batteries, which give the flashlight truly powerful light, lasting up to 8 hours. The A390 is ideal for exploring, while the A310 small flashlight uses 1 battery with 1000 lumens for great outdoor or indoor activities. Now, on the durability side of things, if you're not familiar with the MS Force flashlight kit, of course it's completely waterproof. Nothing, neither rain nor dust, can affect this bad boy, which comes with an IPX4 standard. You can see the tactical head on both flashlights. This aggressive design isn't just for the looks, but for real emergency action. Putting these two on the scale showed 0.65 pounds for both flashlights together. That is absolutely light. One more thing you should know about the LED tactical flashlight. Both flashlights are skid-proof and have strong string loops for hanging on your belt or holding in your hand. The next step in your journey is to click the Add to Cart button on your desktop or mobile device. Read other customers' reviews for the MS Force flashlight kit just to be 200% sure. Thanks for watching our detailed breakdown. I'm Anthony from MS Force, and we'll see you next time.